Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a fun video. This is my project share, my first project share for NBEADS.com. And if you'll remember, some of the things that I got were, when I did my unboxing, were these little discs. I call them discs. They're like teardrops. And I am making earrings out of them. I actually purchased some that were very similar to this, and they were already made into earrings. And then when I saw these, I was super excited to be able to purchase, because I don't have a Cricut or anything, so I can't cut things out. But I thought I could probably, excuse me, I could probably make some of these once I saw the NBEADS carried the little discs. And I will take you through my process to show you exactly how I made them. I like that they are double-sided, so either way that your earring kind of turns, you catch all the glittery sparkles. And so I have made these two, a light blue pair, and then this pair here is kind of more of a peachy, but it has that chunky glitter, so I love that. And then, I'm not too sure about these two. Oh, there we go. Because I kind of want them to match. Even though they're tie-dyed, I want them to be fairly matching, so I just had them on the wrong way. So I made a smaller pair, and I'm going to show you how to make these using, you need a pair of needle nose pliers. It's very, very simple. And then you will need some of the jump rings, which I already had. And then I picked up at Hobby Lobby just the little wire earrings. And then I'm gonna also use a smaller jump ring. I don't know if you can see this, but I used the big jump ring around the actual going through the earring. And then I put a smaller, like a double jump ring. It goes around twice. And that's how I connected it to the actual earring hanging. So let me set these up here out of the way. And then we will begin on these. You need, I used a couple of the larger jump rings. And like I said, I put it around right through the hole that is already punched for you. But I do have a tool that we just got that can punch those holes for you. And then I'm going to use one of the smaller jump rings and put it through there also. Then you just take your needle nose pliers and close your jump ring. And I always kind of crimp my jump rings just to kind of, it makes them stay together better if I crimp them. Then you have what looks like this, the two jump rings together. Then I'm going to take the earring and slide your earring right through the wire. And then when it gets right down to the dangly, right where you know that it's supposed to be, I kind of close this a little bit so that when you're wearing your earring, it doesn't, you know, it doesn't come up on this loop. It stays down and in place. And then these are so easy to close. And like that, we have our first earring. Now, I don't go out much, but I would wear, if I was wearing a nice clothes, dress pants or whatever, I would wear these probably to church even. Am I too bold for church to wear my glitter? I don't think so. I just have a feeling that Jesus loves glitter, because Ginger loves glitter. So then you just put your jump ring back together. Then I crimp it down. And if you look, you have like little teeth right here on your needle nose pliers. If you just smash that down with that, it just kind of crimps it together. And then you take your earring, slide it through there, and then when it gets down to the very bottom, then I close that little piece, and there you have another earring. Now I will leave links for these the discs that you can get from NBEADS. I will leave the links to those down below in the comments. But let's make just 2 of the little ones. You put your jump ring through, add your second jump ring just to give it a little dangly. I got a cramp in my hand. You just crimp that down and then get your earring back. And you slide it onto that stem, is what I call it. And then you just clamp it closed. And then you are all set. We'll make one more. Okay, there it goes. And then you add your second little jump ring. And then you, oh, I've never had a cramp in my hand before. Now I've had them the whole time I've been sitting here. And then you crimp that down. And then you're just going to slide that right over on the stem of your earring. And then there you have it. And I don't know about anybody else, but I think I paid $8 for a pair of earrings like this. And I'll still pay $8 for them, but I will, you know, if I can make some on my own, it makes me feel good. And now I can give them as gifts or include them with swaps. So they're fun, a lot of fun. And let's see. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And which pair is your favorite? I'm getting ready for, I've just finished 300 subscribers. I'll be at 400 soon. So, you know, I have a giveaway coming soon. So, I don't know, maybe I'll put a pair back. Which ones are your favorite? I may include it right in the giveaway. So, have a wonderful evening, and I will be back soon with another crafty video, another NBEADS video, actually. So, have a wonderful weekend.